Shukla. I'm back here with you today, and today I have my old friend RJ Amir with me, and he's going to ask me a couple of questions on selfishness. Let's have a look.
नमिता, तो पहला सवाल जो मेरे दिमाग में आता है, all through my life I've been hearing people talking about being selfless in their services, be selfless, do selfless things, and that is how you attain, moral high ground. लेकिन मुझे हमेशा ये आइडिया बहुत कन्फ्लिक्टिंग लगा है,
Yeah,
क्योंकि सेल्फलेस ट्रूली सेल्फलेस कुछ होता नहीं है दुनिया में.
true. I mean, Amir, I have a little different thought on that. I feel you need to be selfish because once you are happy, then only you can make any other person happy. And when you are happy, then you don't like to hurt others. So I feel you need to be selfish at the first. You should start with your selfishness of being happy, maybe.
Yes, that is so true. Actually, जब मैं एक मीटिंग में बैठा हुआ था, मेरा ओरिएंटेशन चल रहा था, मैंने लास्ट कंपनी जो ज्वाइन करी थी, एंड देयर वाज दिस डिस्कशन गोइंग ऑन कि दुनिया में सिर्फ एक ही प्यार जो है वो सेल्फलेस प्यार होता है, एंड समहाउ वी प्लेस मदर्स ऑन अ पेडिस्टल. नहीं,
Yeah.
मम्मियों को हम लोग बहुत ऊंचे पेडिस्टल पे ले जाके बैठा देते हैं, एंड वी से कि दैट इज द मोस्ट सेल्फलेस लव दैट यू गेट. एंड आई हैड अ कॉन्ट्ररी पॉइंट, एंड इत्तेफाकन वहाँ पर एक अमृता भी थी, उनका भी पॉइंट जो था वो काफ़ी
जी.
कॉन्ट्रोडिक्टरी था कि मदर्स द वे दे लव देयर किड्स,
Yeah.
इट्स नॉट सेल्फलेस, दे लव डूइंग इट.
Yeah, you are very right here. You just picked the nerve. Mothers are doing this or loving their kids because this is giving them happiness, and this is the eternal truth. That any mother, no doubt, the love is selfless, and it is the utmost, the highest point of love which you can compare it about. But no doubt about it that they are doing it because they are getting happy. Seeing their kids growing or doing anything for the kids, it makes them happy.
इट मेक्स देम
So-
हैप्पी, एंड प्लस अगर वो नहीं करेंगे अपने बच्चों के लिए तो वो कहीं ना कहीं गिल्ट रहेगी ना.
Absolutely. But at the same time, when we are talking about selfishness, now I don't mean that, if we are going or we are working in the corporate world and we start taking it, like the decisions or the other factors, lot many other factors come in. So we have to be careful about where we are using them, where we are using our selfishness. We try to manipulate things as per our own convenience.
बट लेकिन मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि वो लोग करते हैं जो बहुत ही नैरो माइंडेड होते हैं
Yeah.
अपनी सेल्फिशनेस में.
Yes.
बिकॉज इफ यू ट्रूली सेल्फिश,
Selfish.
अगर आप बहुत एक्सट्रीम सेल्फिश पर्सन है, मैं पता नहीं क्यों सेल्फलेस पे अटक गया हूं, अगर आप एक्सट्रीम सेल्फिश पर्सन हैं तो आप कोशिश ये करेंगे कि आप दूसरों की जिंदगी में डिस्कॉर्ड मत पैदा करें, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं वो आपकी जिंदगी में डिस्कॉर्ड पैदा करेगा.
Bilkul. It is a exchange of energy. Whatever energy you are throwing to someone, it's going to come back to you. So you have to be careful. So even if it is about energy of being happy within, you are going to radiate the same happiness to the other person. And that comes back to you, and it is like a to and fro process.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड वही बोलते हैं ना कि दूसरे का आशियाना इसलिए नहीं जलाओ क्योंकि उसकी आग से तुम्हारा आशियाना भी जल सकता है. सो बी एटलीस्ट सो सेल्फिश कि
Yes,
अपना घर नहीं
yes,
जलाना है तो
अपना
दूसरे का घर नहीं जलाना है.
Absolutely.
एंड पीपल टेक इट इन द रॉन्ग वे. जो ज्यादातर सेल्फिश लोग नजर आते हैं वो सेल्फिश नहीं होते, वो मूर्ख होते हैं, मुझे लगता है.
Yes. There's a very thin line between foolishness and
being an idiot
and being
and being
idiot.
selfish.
Yes, absolutely.
Because if you're selfish in the very short term, जैसे मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा था मैं कि अगर आप बहुत सेल्फिश आदमी हैं तो आप कभी भी ओवर ईटिंग नहीं करेंगे, आप कभी भी कुछ ऐसा फिजूल का काम नहीं करेंगे जिससे आपकी बॉडी को नुकसान हो. लेकिन अगर आप इडियट हैं तो आप पेट भर के खाएंगे क्योंकि उस वक्त वो मिल रहा है और आपको दिख रहा है कि यार ये फ्री में मिल रहा है, पार्टी में आए हैं, जितना भर सको भर लो.
Yeah, true. Like you're driving on a road, so you're not going to accelerate it, even if the other person is coming wrongly, right? On the other side.
हाँ.
You're going to stop because you don't want an accident, and it will be foolishness that, I am going
हाँ.
to.
But you're not going to say कि I'm selfish,
Yes,
so I'll
I'm
accelerate
selfish, I'll
and let him
accelerate
get
and
out
let
of the,
him get out of the
way.
So that is being idiot.
That is like being an idiot, right?
Yeah.
So एक बात सेट हो गई कि नमिता एंड आई बोथ अग्री कि देयर इज अ वेरी थिन लाइन बिटवीन बीइंग एन इडियट एंड बीइंग सेल्फिश. अगर आप सेल्फिश हैं देन यू विल डू द राइट थिंग्स बिकॉज यू वांट द राइट रिजल्ट्स फॉर योरसेल्फ. लेकिन अगर आप बेवकूफ हैं, और ज्यादातर लोग जिनको हम सेल्फिश बोलते हैं वो सेल्फिश नहीं होते हैं, वो एक्चुअली बेवकूफ होते हैं क्योंकि वो बहुत शॉर्ट टर्म में बहुत ही नैरो माइंडेड होकर सोच रहे होते हैं.
बिल्कुल या आई कंप्लीटली अग्री विद यू, क्योंकि उनका थॉट प्रोसेस जो होता है, सोचने का जो दायरा होता है ना, वही बहुत छोटा होता है. सो दे कांट इवन थिंक दैट आई नीड टू बी हैप्पी. They are like, you know, I have to just have this accident.
I need to be happy now.
Yes.
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 तो मैं प्लेट भर के खाना अभी खा लूं, मैं ये भूल जाऊं कि उसकी वजह से मेरा तोंद बाहर निकल आएगा, या मेरी बॉडी अजीब हो जाएगी, या मुझे हार्ट डिजीज हो सकती है, या प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं. So I'm selfish for now, for today.
Today.
And you're not so selfish that you want to live long.
Absolutely.
You're only selfish because you want to eat right now.
Eat right now. You're thinking short term. You need to think long term. Understand a broader perspective rather than a smaller perspective.
Very narrow perspective.
Yeah, narrow
So
perspective.
to be truly selfish, and this is what it is all about, कि अगर वाकई में selfishness सीखनी है, then you need to broaden up your horizon, थोड़ा सा अपना perspective broad करके और चीज़ों को different angle से सोचना पड़ेगा. You cannot be stuck in the same place and keep on telling yourself the same story and be in a very narrow sphere of your life.
Yeah, so you're making any decision in your life, relating to yourself, or even if you want to do it for some other person. Suppose you want to do something for your husband, something for your wife, or something for your child. You need to be very clear that I'm doing this because he or she is my, near and dear one, and I want him to be happy. Because if he is happy or she is happy, I become happy. The equation in our mind need to be very clear.
And कई बार relationships की आपने बात करी. Relationships में हम क्या करते हैं कि कई बार हमें लगता है कि हम चीज़ें अपने लिए कर लें. Because there is a lot of push and pull, right?
Right.
तो बहुत सी दफ़ा ये होता है कि आदमी इतना सेल्फिश होता है, मतलब वो सेल्फिश नहीं, वो इतना मूर्ख होता है कि वो सोचता है कि ये चीज़ें हम अपने लिए कर लें, and not really thinking about the other person. But in the long run, what happens is that क्योंकि वो अगला इंसान दुखी है, and somehow it comes back to you.
It comes back to you. It's a full circle. It will just come back to you. Whatever you're throwing comes back to you sooner or later.
So you think that you're being selfish, but you're being a moron.
But yes, you are a moron.
I'm sorry, I'm calling all these moron idiots and nitwits and stupid. But I think that's a very high level of stupidity.
It is. Certainly it is.
Because मुझे चाहिए कि मैं खुश रहूं, so I'll try to keep you happy, because if you're happy, I will be happy.
Because what happens is at times, Amir, we take decisions or we do things for the, thinking in our mind that I'm doing it for the other person. For that matter, I've come across many of my friends who are not working right now. So they say that, my husband had asked me, so I had to quit my career for my children. Now they are kind of regretting it. Regret is a very negative emotion. Now, why you did that? Why you took that decision at that time? Maybe your family was important, your husband was important, the child was important, and in turn, you have to understand you did it for yourself. Then the equation.
Because ultimately you let that decision take you over, right?
Yes, you let that decision take you over, and it kind of, ruins your mind. You are in that circle every day.
And then you're not satisfied.
You're not satisfied at all. You're stuck.
You're stuck basically.
You're stuck.
Lots of time when we talk about relationships and when I get messages about relationships, I think वहाँ पर मुझे लगता है कि एक आदमी बहुत ही नैरो टाइम में, बहुत ही नैरो स्फेयर में सेल्फिश हो रहा होता है, और दूसरा आदमी उसकी वजह से परटर्ब्ड हो रहा होता है. तो वो रिएक्ट कर रहा होता है, वो सेल्फिश हो रहा होता है, दूसरा रिएक्ट कर रहा होता है, नतीजा कि वो रिलेशनशिप फेल हो जाती है. क्योंकि ये अगर नैरो माइंडेड होकर नहीं सेल्फिश होता, थोड़ा सा ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव लेकर चले, तो मुझे लगेगा कि वो रिलेशनशिप को अपनी बेहतर करने की कोशिश करेगा, ना कि और गोड़ने की कोशिश करेगा.
Yeah, because we, whatever happens in our life, we try to justify it internally. Okay, so if I've taken a decision and calling you selfish, or blaming you for something is easier for us. We all kind of live with it every day. That we call, that the other person was so selfish, or he always thought about himself or herself. We forget that where were we, in that
In that
relationship,
equation.
in that
Yeah.
equation, at that moment. So there is nothing wrong about being selfish. So even if the other person was selfish, or even if you were selfish, it's right. But we have to understand, rather than blaming the other person, understanding our own reaction or our own action, or analyzing them, can make us feel better. We can evolve, we can grow. It can
And we
give
can
you.
we can get over so many past mistakes.
Yes,
So
you can
if
get
you
over
are being
it.
selfish, then be that selfish that you learn from the past, but let it go.
Yes, you have to learn to let it go if something is bothering you. Not only let it go, you have to learn to forgive the other person. Now, when I say you have to learn to forgive the other person, not for the other person per se, but for your own sanity,
For your own selfishness.
for your own selfishness. Absolutely, we
Because-
come back to the point.
क्योंकि अगर आप दूसरे इंसान को माफ नहीं करेंगे तो वो खटकता रहेगा इधर खोपड़ी में, और नींदें आपकी हराम होने वाली हैं.
बिल्कुल.
वो तो हो सकता है कि शायद आगे बढ़ गया
शायद आगे
हो,
बढ़
आप
गया
वहीं
हो.
पर
आप वहीं पर घूमते रह
घूम
जाएंगे,
रहे हो
that
कोल्हू के
circle.
बैल की तरह.
Yes.
You just keep on circling the same thing again and again and again.
Conversation. If you've liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel below.